In this video, we will talk about some tips and tricks that will help you crack the NPAT exam for BSc courses. You need to finish 3 sections of NPAT exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 120 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make quantitative and reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas, but instead try understanding the concepts so you can modify the formulas according to the need of the question. Remember, negative marking is a factor here. Therefore, try not to attempt questions that put you in doubt. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limits attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the time limit. So, if you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.